Okay, we can just record in parallel in another software. Okay. What we want to find is we want to find the centroid and moment of inertia for an I section. Since we already calculated the center of the centroid, that is x bar y bar, for the previous for this problem in the previous classes. So I am directly going to find the moment of inertia. What is the formula for finding the centroid is, that is x bar y bar equal to summation of ai xi divided by summation of ai, and for y bar வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா we can find value of y bar summation of ai yi divided by summation of ai. This is the formula for finding x bar y bar, that is centroid for an centroid for a given cross section. Okay, since it is having a three different areas, directly there is no formula for finding the areas and the xy by y for a I section directly. So we are dividing the I section into three parts, that is a three rectangle. So and we have calculated the area for three rectangle and also xi, that is centroid for each area separately. Okay, with respect to the origin 0, 0, x bar and xi yi we had calculated, and similarly we calculated ai xi ai yi and find the value of x bar y bar. This is what this is we have calculated the centroid. Now we want to find the moment of inertia. So moment of inertia can be said as, this is for centroid. So for moment of inertia, we know the formula that Ixx was equal to, since we are calculating with reference to this point, let this will be Ixx, you can say it as x y. Okay, this is the origin. Ixx was equal to, sorry, capital Xx. I capital Xx was equal to I small xx plus a. Here h squared is nothing but, since we are calculating with reference to x axis, distance will be based on y. So which is yi minus y bar. Similarly, x yy was equal to iyy plus a into xi minus x bar. Since we are taking reference with respect to y axis, so we have to calculate the distance. Okay, in x. That's why we are xi the distance in the xi now. So that's why we are using the for iyy we are using x minus x bar. Ixx we are using yi minus y bar. That is the main thing. Now we can, similarly we have to draw the another table. Just write in another table area number. That we can have as a three area, since we are having a three area. Just understand the problem. We are having a I section with a uniform thickness of 3 mm throughout the sections. Okay, and also the dimensions are given here. We are already solved this problem and find it the x bar over. So now we are calculating the inner moment of inertia. First we want to find the area number Ixx, I small xx, small I small yy. That is second moment of inertia. For that we know the formula ai yi minus y bar. Similarly, ai xi minus x bar whole square. Sorry, I have missed the formula that whole square. Since we know that in the previous class we find it, just you can see that formula. In previous classes, we found that a into x square, that is for moment of inertia was equal to iaa. According to this axis, we have written as iaa was equal to ixx plus a into ha square. Here that ha we are finding as x minus x bar or y minus y bar. Okay, divided by whole square. That is the value we want to do here. So I missed that formula and now I added. Yeah. For area 1. We know the formula. Just I'm going to visit here. Just moment of inertia. Yesterday we written the formula that for a rectangle or as a, what is the formula for finding the Ixx and Iyy? BD cube by 12, and Ixx was equal to BD cube by 12, Iyy was equal to DB cube by 12. Here B is breadth and D is height. Okay, BD cube by 12 and DB cube by 12. By 12. Just remember this formula for this problem, since we are dealing only with a rectangle. So first one is here. So here B is 15 and D is 12. So BD cube by 12. We can write the formula here. BD cube by 12. Here dB cube by 12. Since it is a rectangle, if there is a different cross section, the formula varies. So for area 1, we know that 15 3 cube by 12. And tell me the answer. Can anyone tell me the answer so that I can? Here we get 33.75. The unit is mm per 4. Here also unit is mm per 4. Here it is 843.75. Similarly for area 2, I am finding that for area 2 also, for area 2, here B is 3 centimeter and D is 15. B is 3 centimeter, sorry, mm. What is the unit here? Here, sorry, centimeter, sorry, write it here as.
Sir, for whether for moment of inertia too, we have to consider the origin, sir.
Origin? No, here we are calculating only the Ixx value directly. Okay,
yes,
for calculating the centroid only, we have to consider the origin at that point, the references. From here it is 15. Okay, or from here, that is a point when only we are calculating the centroid, that is center position. Here the center moment of inertia வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா Ixx Iyy வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is not a position, it is we stated for a particular region வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா we are taking the moment of that area. Okay, due to that particular small portion of the area with reference to axis, how will it create the tendon to how will create the inertial forces. That is why we are calculating second moment of area. So no need for considering the original axis for finding Ixx and Iyy. Okay. In second, we know that B is 3, D is 15. Again, we get the value of 843.75. Here, D is, again, we know that D is 15 and B is 3. We get 33.75. For third area, that is 30, B is 30 and height D is 3 mm. You can write as 30 into 3 whole cube by 12. The answer is 675. And here we know that similarly 3 into 30 cube by 12. And the answer is 67.50. Just can you able to check with the answer and tell me?
Sir, Ix is 67.5 then, sir.
67.5, just okay. 67.5. Just calculator once check 67.5. Here also it is the values 67.5. Okay, just can you able to the 80 previous check பண்ணி சொல்ல முடியுமா the value 1/2 1/12 into 3 into 15 cube 843 தானா?
Yes sir, 843.75.
Sir, Iyy வந்து 6000.
Sir, Iyy வந்து மாறும் sir, third one sir.
ஆமா, அதான் நான் கேக்குறேன், ஒரு நிமிஷம் செக் பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க. Check and tell me. This value will definitely change. You know, if we have 30 cube இருக்குல்ல, so 30
sir 6750 sir.
6,750, sir.
into 3 divided by 12, we get 6750. Okay. So now we have to check AI into yi minus y bar whole square. What is the value of AI, Kana? So we can even get the summation here, if possible. y. Okay. What is the value of a summation AI? What is the value of AI here? This we know that AI is 45, A2 sorry, A1 is 45, A2 is also 45, A3 is 90. And similarly, yi for this is 19.5. We had calculated because the centroid for this particular region is 1.5. From the origin, it is 19.5. So, and we also know the value of y bar is 8.25. That is what we have to do here. 45 into yi is 19.5 minus y bar is 8.25 whole square. So answer. Similarly here 45 into xi is 15 and x bar is also 15. So 15 minus 15 whole square, which was equal to 0. In second wall 45 yi value we calculated earlierly that it is 10.5 and y bar value we know that 8.25. 10.5 minus 8.25 whole square. For this also 45 into x bar is, that is xi is for all the three things 15. So the whole value will become here. For symmetrical object about x-axis on the patina, ixx or this term will become 0 only. Okay. Here 90 into yi is 1.5 minus 8.25 whole square. Since for this part on the patina, third y on the 1.5, that is the centroid on the 1.5. Here on the for this object on the patina, the centroid is 15 divided by 2 on the 7.5 in the plus 1.5 ngati. Sorry, plus 3. 7.5 plus 3, we get 10.5. Here 19.5. This thing we calculated earlierly, and also you had solved a few problems in yesterday class. So I think I hope that you guys are familiar. You guys are familiar with the calculating centroid. That's why I'm moving here. Next problem we can take a different problem and solve using the same method continuously. Summation of ai into ai minus whole square. So I need the summation value. Once you add it now, what you will get the value of ixx. Summation of ixx is 33.75 plus 843.75 plus 67.5. We get the value 945 mm cube. 945, making the value of ixx. For iyy 843.75 plus 33.75 plus 6750. We get the value of 7627.5. For ayy on the particular, we get the value 45 into 19.5 minus 8.5 whole square. We get a value 5.69 into 10 to the power 3 here. Two 27.81. Here we get 4.1 into the power 3. So once we add all this thing now, we get the value of 10.18 into 10 to the power 3. This is the value we get here. So now we know that we can apply the formula Ixx was equal to, that is moment of inertia about the x-axis. Ixx was equal to Ixx plus A, you can write it here as summation of Ix, since we are having multiple areas. AI minus y bar whole square. Now we know the value Ixx was equal to 945. Iy value is 10.18 into 10 to the power 3. So we get the value of answer plus 945. We get the value 10.96 into 10 to the power 3. Unit is centimeter per 4. That is the value unit for Ixx. That is moment of inertia. If you solve up to this now in conventional test, you will get 10 marks. Iyy unit summation of I small yy plus summation of ai into xi minus x bar whole square. We get the value 7627.5 centimeter per 4. That is the value of Iy. Okay. This is the answer. This is how we can solve the problem. You can find the moment of inertia. Up to this, we will be having for your cycle test, okay, moment of inertia. If I will check with other faculties and tell you whether you will be having another problems. Okay, mass moment of inertia. Insist of area, if you're using the weight or masses, we call it as a mass moment of inertia. Okay. I solve another problem from fully. It's nothing but by calculating the just. Okay. I got a few queries. Just. Just wait a minute. I will draw on a problem. I will write a problem here. Okay, solve the for this problem. We have to determine the moment inertia, the L section shown in figure about its centroidal axis, parallel to the base. Also find the polar moment of inertia, that is IZZ, and the polar moment of inertia. We can say it as a polar moment of inertia is nothing but IZZ inertia. Okay. சொல்லுது ராஜு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 2 ஹவர் இருக்கு இல்ல வேற அந்த இது யூஸ் பண்ணி இது இருக்குல்ல எம்இ கிளாஸ் யாரு அவனும் இங்க அங்கதானே இங்க இல்லையே அவன் துரத்தி விட்டுங்க 2 பேர் தானே okay. We can continue. I will write the dimensions here. All dimensions be in mm. Okay. For the cell section, we want to find the both moment of inertia and also polar, that is moment of inertia. We want to find the moment of inertia. For this, we want to find moment of inertia Ixx, I capital Xx, I capital Yy, and also before we that for finding this, we want to find the centroid, that is X bar and Y bar. Formula for finding X bar was equal to summation of AI xi divided by summation of AI. Y bar was equal to summation of AI yi summation of AI. Similarly, Ixx was equal to I small xx plus a. Since we are having two areas, there is more than one area in a way, we have to use a summation. Ixx plus summation of a into xi minus x bar whole square is equal to summation of I.
Sir, Ixx கண்டுபிடிக்க yi minus y bar whole square தான் sir.
Sorry, I had changed it. Sorry, I minus. ஏன்னா இந்த issues இந்த மாதிரி தான் சின்னதா பார்த்தோம். xi x bar whole square. Sorry pa, I had made this mistake because நம்ம எழுதும்போது பாத்தீங்கன்னா ப்ரீ மைண்ட் செட்டப்ல ஒன்று வச்சுருப்போம் தெரியுமா, எக்ஸ்னாவே இங்கேயும் எக்ஸ் வரணும், இந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். ஐ டோன்ட் ரெஃபர் எனி நோட்ஸ், நான் எதுவும் ரெஃபர் பண்ணல, டேரெக்டாக வந்து இதை பார்த்து தான் எழுதிட்டு இருக்கேன். என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, பழைய ஏதோ ஞாபகம் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன், அதனால தான் சின்ன சின்ன மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் வரும். You guys are following, thank you. Similarly, IZ was equal to IXX plus IYY. This is the formula. We can go to the solution. First, we want to draw the two tables. Okay, the first one is for finding the moment of centroid, and another one is for finding Moment of inertia. Let this is be the two area AIB, and here XI, YI, AIXI, AIYI. For area 1, what is the, let this is be, can have this as area 1. 2. For area 1, what is the value of area, and how we can find that area? B into D, that is 8 into 10. What is the value? 8. 85 into 10, that is 850. Here we can, this unit is mm square. So it's okay. Next one, for area of A2 is 10 into 115. Since it is at total length is 125, if we reduce the 10, we get 115, that is 10 into 115. We get, our area is 1150. Okay. This is the area of this thing. Now YA, sorry. 10 into 115, we get 1150. XI for this area. The centroid for this particular local region. 185 by 2. What is the value of 85 by 2? 42.5. Okay. YI 10 divided by 2, since it is origin is lies here itself. So 10 by 2, we get 5. Similarly, for this component X 10 by 2, that is 5. That lies origin just central. So I can write it as 5. Y there is 115 divided by 2. What is the value of 115 divided by 2? 57.5. Yeah, 57.5. Here plus 10. So here it is 5. 5 plus 10. So you can write as 67.5. Now we have to multiply this. AIXI. 850 into 42.5. Can anyone able to tell me the answer? 850 into 42.5. We get the value of 36.15. 36.12 into 10 to the power 3. Then 850 into 5. We get 4,250. Similarly here, 1,150 into 5. 1,150 into 5, we get value 5750. 1150 into 67.5, we get 77.62 into 10 to the power 3. Now we can summation. $850 plus 1,150, we get the value 2,000. The summation of sigma AI was equal to, here summation of AIXI was equal to 36.12 into e power 3 plus 5,750. We get the value 41.8 into 10 to the power 3. Similarly here for next step, 4,250 plus 77.62 into e power 3. We get the value 81.87 into 10 to the power 3. x bar was equal to summation of ai xi, which was equal to 41.87 into the 3 divided by 2000. We get the value
20.936.
20.93. We can write as 20.93 mm. Similarly, y bar was equal to summation of ai yi by, that is 81.87 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 2000. We get the value 81.87 into e power 3 divided by 2000. We get the value
40.93, sir.
divided by 2000. 2000 40.93 mm. Okay, that is the answer. X bar and y bar. Now we want to find the value of ixx and iyy. For that, we want to calculate this area number I small xx, I small yy, I small yy. Next, we want to find is ai into yi minus y bar. Here ai into xi minus x bar whole square. So first area 1. For area 1, how we can find that ixx? Ixx can be calculated using the formula bd cube by 12. Since it is a rectangle, we know that bd cube by 12. Iy db cube by 12. Since it is a common cross-sectional area, I am writing this formula here. If it is circle, we have to change that formula. I am again mentioning it. D here, what is the value of B here? 85 into 10. D is 10. So 85 into 10 cube divided by 12. Value here 10 into 85 cube divided by 12. For equation 2, we know that 10, here height is 115. B is 10, height is 115 cube divided by 12. And here 115. Sure. So we can write here as 85 into e power 3 divided by 12. We get the value of 7.08 10 to the power 3. 10 into 115. So I can write 85 into 10 to the power 3. So, okay. 10 into 85. 51117 10 to the power 3. 10 into 115, we get the value 1.26 into 10 to the power 6. Here 115 into 10 to the power 10 cube divided by 12. We get the value 9.58 into 10 to the power 3. Here sigma aiy is right here. Ai into yi minus y bar whole square. We can move this part also. Okay, I'm writing here. So we know that value of area of is 850 and 1150. 850 into yi value is 5 minus 40.93 whole cube, so whole square, and here also 850. Xi value for the first one is 42.5. Minus x bar is 20.93 whole square. Similarly here, 1150 into yi is for this one, the yi is 67.5 minus 40.93 whole cube whole square. Here 1150 into x bar is, I think, 5. Xi is 5 minus 20.93 whole square. Is anyone able to calculate it and can tell me the answer? Yeah. First one, a 7.08 into e power 3.
Sir, first one AIY, first area, sir.
Mm.
The answer is 1.06 into 10 to the power 6, sir.
0.6 into 10 to the power
1.09, 1.09 into 10 to the power 6.
First one,
Yes,
1.09
sir.
into 10 to the power 6. For
Yes, sir.
next one, this part,
That is 3.95 into 10 to the power 6.
3.95 into 10 to the power 6. Okay, this part, 1150 into 67.5 minus 40.93. That is 811.8 into 10 to the power 3. Similarly, we get the value 291.2 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, now we add the summation values. 7.08 into e power 3 plus 1.26 into e power 6. We get the value of 1.26 into 10 to the power 6. Similarly, 511.7 into e power 3 plus 9.58 into 10 to the power 3. Sorry. 521.28 10 to the power 3. For third one, 850 just 1.09 into e power 6 plus 811.8 into e power 3. We get the value of 1.90 into 10 to the power 6. 3.95 into e power 6 plus 209.82 to e power 3. We get the value of 4.24 10 to the power 6. This is the value. So now you want to find Ixx was equal to, we know that Ixx plus a summation of Ixx plus summation of ai yi minus y bar whole square. So here Ixx was equal to 1.26 into 10 to the power 6 plus Iyy, this one was 1.90 into 10 to the power 6. We get the value of, once we add this now, we get the value Ixx was equal to 1.26 into e power 3 plus 1.90 into e power 6. We get the value 3.16 mm per 4. This is the value of ixx. Similarly, Iyy was equal to summation of Iyy plus summation of ai xi minus x bar whole square. We know that 521.28 10 to the power 3 plus 4.24 into 10 to the power 6. We know that 521.28 into e power 3 plus 4.24 into 10 to the power 3. We get the value of 4.76 into 10 to the power 6. Now we want to add these two things if I want to get Izz. So it's equal to 3.16 into e power 6 plus 4.76 into e power 6. Value of 7.92 into 10 to the power 6. Before that, check this answer alone. Okay, I had a doubt. Check this answer. After a long time, everyone is attending the class. Huh?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, yesterday 10:56 I submitted, sir.